India and Germany have announced a wide range of initiatives spanning defense, trade, and technology, marking a new chapter in bilateral relations following a high-level meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and German Chancellor Friedrich Merz in Gandhinagar. In order to strengthen defense industrial cooperation, both nations signed a declaration focused on co-development and co-production. The Prime Minister said India and Germany are not just economic partners but two nations committed to global peace and stability. Highlighting the strength of the relationship, Mr. Modi noted that the bilateral trade has surpassed a record $50 billion. He remarked that the India-Germany partnership is forward-looking, particularly in areas of green energy and advanced technology, and underscored that the two nations are unanimous in their fight against terrorism, which he termed as a serious threat to all humanity. Chancellor Merz emphasized that this deepening military ties, including increased joint naval and air force exercises, would help India diversify its defense dependentness. On the economic front, the leaders reiterated their commitment to finalizing the India-EU Free Trade Agreement to unlock further growth. Both leaders also reaffirmed their strong resolve to build secure supply chain and a stable international order. We report News Now.